Hello, everyone. Warm good evening to all our esteemed guests and dignitaries on the dais. Today, it's a wonderful Sunday, first week of July and first Sunday of July, and we are here to talk about a very interesting topic on integrating pharmacotherapy in tobacco cessation. With this, now I am very happy to invite Rotarian Kalyan Banerjee, but unfortunately, because of his urgent priorities and other meeting, he's not here with us. So I'll request Rotarian Ulhas Kohalkar sir to address us on his behalf.
Yeah, thank you, Shruti. Thank you for this opportunity. Though I may not match past Tarai President Kalyan Banerjee, but I will try to make it up. Dr. Pawan Gupta and distinguished guests of the evening, among all the scientists who are here, perhaps myself, a Rotarian, is only the odd man out because we consider ourselves as a social scientists and we are 115 years old history of implementing any project at the social level in multiple countries, more than 200 countries, and very recently, to be specific, in 2000, between 2000 and 2016, starting from European drug abuse movement, we started thinking of formation of RAGA, that is the Rotary Action Group Against Addiction Prevention. 2016 is a earmark when Rotary International approved of this particular Rotary Action Group, and then today we are present in almost 69 countries. Very recently, I think your organization has been associated with Rotary for a number of projects, particularly in Mumbai and Thane, when we had undertaken this de-addiction, particularly all the de-addiction projects. And I must thank here Dr. Pawan Gupta for inviting Rotary to join this particular moment. I am reminded of a small story in Mahabharata when Arjuna approaches Bhishma and asks him that is there any way that without doing any yajna, because yajna used to be very, very prevalent at that particular time, is there any way of going to the heaven without performing any yajna? And then very specifically, secondly, quickly, Bhishma answers him that yes, Annado Jalado Seva Aturasya Chikitsaka Traiste Saramayante Vina Yajnana Bharata. There are three ways in which any ordinary person can ride to the heavenly abode in a due course of time, obviously, that provided you supply the food to the needy and to the hungry, you supply water to the thirsty, and you supply the treatment to one who needs. Today, if you consider almost 11.09% of the rural population and 8.3% of the urban population is down with active smoking, and needless to say, there are thousands and crores of people with a passive smoking. As a pediatrician, even though our population is not exposed directly for the active smoking, but I know very well that in the house, the children are exposed, and then over a period of time, they develop asthma and the recurrent respiratory infection because of the vulnerability. So I must congratulate Dr. Pawan Gupta for bringing from all angles everybody on the same platform, developing the various therapies, and particularly the today's discussion when we are going to discuss the overview of pharmacological modalities for tobacco cessation. As everybody knows that this is a multi-modality approach one has to develop with a base of pharmacology. Very rightly, a beautiful analogy was given by Dr. Desai right in the beginning, and that's a pizza analogy. So it hits you directly. That's exactly what we are going to do and what is the pharmacotherapy. So thank you very much for inviting Rotary. On behalf of Kalyanda, he is not able to join, but I'm absolutely sure that we will take this up at the national level and then subsequently international level. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir. We are definitely going to take this to the international level and really create a difference. Thank you so much for addressing the audience.